Hi guys, it's Dr. Denney over at Four Paws at Fulshear Veterinary Clinic, and today Maddie and I are going to be chatting a little bit about our cats and dental disease. Everyone always talks about dogs, so we're going to talk a little bit about our kitty cats, that way they don't feel left out.
Dr. Denney, what is involved in cat dental care?
So cat dental care involves basically monitoring and seeing if our cats are getting tartar buildup on their teeth, making sure that they're eating. There's a bunch of different symptoms that we're going to chat about here in just a little bit to watch out for, but the big ones are going to be do we smell bad breath? When we lift the gums up, do we see if the gums are nice and pink, or are they really red and inflamed right where the teeth meet the gum line? Are the teeth discolored? They should be a nice pearly white, right? And if they're not, or if there's yellow, green, or kind of blackish tartar on the teeth, and that's not normal. We're also looking for fractures, so I can speak to this because my old man kitty cat, the Munch, he's my baby, he had a fractured canine, and I just happened to be checking his mouth one day and lifted his lip up, and I saw his canine had just been sheared in half, so he went and had to have that canine tooth removed. So we can see gingivitis, which is where the gums are really sensitive. We could see stomatitis, which is a little more severe, more infectious. Cats can also get a condition called Forls, F-O-R-L-S. That stands for basically resorptive lesions, where for reasons that we don't always understand, the teeth will actually start to dissolve either above the gum line or below the gum line, and it's incredibly painful. If you've ever had a cavity, then you'll understand the kind of pain that the cats will have. Other symptoms to look out for, if to know how your cat's teeth are doing, is watch them eat. I have another one of my cats that he was dropping food out of the side of his mouth and kind of only eating on one side. And when I would look in his bowl, there would be like pieces of his kibbles. So instead of whole kibbles, there's all these little pieces. And he would do that because his teeth hurt. So he's going to have a dental cleaning, but that's how I noticed that something was wrong. Also, if you're snuggling up with your cat, we talked a little bit about bad breath, you're going to know what normal breath is, and you're going to know, because it's your cat, you're going to know if something smells off. So those are things that we can kind of look out for.
How do veterinarians diagnose dental problems in cats?
So physical exam is probably going to be where we get the first kind of inkling that there might be a problem. So we do look in the mouth, we open the mouth. If you've been with me when I'm examining a cat, like I also put my hand underneath their bottom of their jaw and push up, because it pushes their tongues up so I can see the inside of the lower teeth, and also look at the back of their tongue. But an oral exam is going to be a big part of their yearly, which is where we can catch these kind of things. Then if we know there's disease and we go forward with a dental cleaning when they're under anesthesia, we actually will perform dental x-rays, much like they do in humans. And that shows us what's actually going on beneath the gum line. I've had perfectly what looks like healthy teeth just to the naked eye, but on the dental x-rays, you can see where the root is dissolving or has been eaten away by infection.
What types of dental care should I be giving my cat at home?
It's a really good question. Dogs are going to be a little easier on this one. There are crunchy food, like crunchy treats are good for helping with keeping the teeth clean. It acts like more of a brushing action. If your cat will allow you to brush its teeth with like a little finger toothpaste and a toothbrush that you can get on Amazon, you do want to make sure you're using cat or labeled dog and cat enzyme toothpaste. You don't want to use humans. That is toxic to animals. And you can run with your little gum toothbrush over their gums. I don't know many cats that will tolerate it, but some will. Other than that, routine dental cleanings is going to be needed. All right, thanks guys. Have a good rest of your day.